Boys High School, and this is a song that was written by some of my friends that were at that school. They're all old men now, and one of the guys' name is Robert Ruha, and he's you guys might know of him as he's a bit of a singer. He's not too bad, quite a good looking man. He's got drawings on his face just like mine.
Aroha mai. Cam, my boy over there, that's his favourite singer.
Hey,
he's heard of him.
Cam.
He's even got a photo with him and everything.
Cam, the man.
Yeah.
So this is a song that him and a few of our friends wrote for a kapahaka competition that they were in. If you know the song, please feel free to sing along, unless you're flat. Let's just do the actions. I think I better apologise to Rob Ruha, because you've now just got yourself a new favourite singer.